Yes, folks. Philip's keen as eggs to get it off as he's never got it off before. Oh, look out. Whoa! Feet first. The elevator. Crazy stuff. There he goes, cavorting with glee as he swings through the trees, feeling the rebound from that bungee cord, and the onset of adrenaline, as he's powering through his system. That's why he's got that grin on. As he slows down a bit now, to a more gentle, sedate pendulum. And now that bungee cord's being removed from Philip's ankles, he's free to just kick back and relax and laugh. Just a smooth green water raft trip back to the mainland, where his hero shirt away. His hero shirt away. And also the opportunity to race back up the tower and have a second jump for only $35. And who knows, with the amount of sun that Philip's had lately, maybe he's just crazy now to be seriously considering getting up here for a backwards dive. But until that time, hey Philip, thanks for jumping. Farewell.